Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add songs to your Spotify playlist. And here you can see I've already opened this Spotify and I just want to search for a song to add to my playlist. So for example, I wanna add the viral hits to my playlist. Okay, I want to add a song. Let's say I want to add this songs right here. So what you guys need to do is just select the song and then click on the three dots icon beside the title of the song, and then here you'll see there's option to add to playlist, and then you can just choose which one that you want to add the playlist name. So for example, I want to add to this playlist, just click on that, and now the song has been added to playlist, and let's see the result. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, click on the thanks below and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Bye.